Quick! I don't have much time. The biggest obstacle you face as a trader can be broken down like this. To achieve trading success, you're going to have to face the valley of despair all successful traders go through. Obviously, I can't speak for everyone, but for me personally, I find the Stockdale Paradox really insightful here. On September 9th, 1965, during the height of the Vietnam War, Admiral Jim Stockdale was shot down over Vietnam. He parachuted directly into enemy hands, where he was severely beaten. But unfortunately for him, that was just the beginning of his nightmare. Stockdale was taken to the infamous Hanoi Hilton, where he spent much of his time locked in a windowless concrete cell. He barely had enough room to lie down. Stockdale spent 7.5 years there. During that time, he was interrogated and tortured over 20 times. Yet somehow, he refused to break. Okay, that's a wild story, but what does this have to do with day trading, and how do you delete your biggest obstacle? Years later, Stockdale was asked which prisoners didn't make it out alive. "Oh, that's easy," he replied. "It's the optimists. They were the ones who said, 'We'll be home by Christmas.' Christmas would come and go. Then they'd promise, 'We'll be home by Easter.' Easter would pass, Thanksgiving would come, and then Christmas again. And they just died of a broken heart." Then Stockdale said, "You must never lose faith that you will prevail in the end. But at the same time, you must have the discipline to confront the brutal facts of your reality, whatever they may be." This is the Stockdale Paradox. To survive and make it through a tough trading journey, fully embrace the harsh realities, drawdowns, slumps, and inevitable mistakes, so you don't die of a broken heart, while maintaining unwavering faith that, in the end, you will prevail. So to put it simply, your biggest obstacle isn't the market. It's not your strategy. Your biggest obstacle